Okay, what is up to software engineering concepts in Python for interviews and also for development and also for exams? So in this video we are going to look at Flake8, the Python's premier code quality guardian. Flake8 actually stands as a gold standard for Python code quality enforcement, combining three powerful tools into one seamless package, and it helps developers maintain clean, consistent, and error-free code bases by identifying potential bugs, style violations, and overly complex code structures before they become problems. So, as a unified interface for PyFlakes, PyCodestyle, which is formerly PEP8, and Maccabi complexity checker, Flake8 actually provides comprehensive linting capabilities while remaining lightweight and also fast enough for continuous integration pipelines and also real-time ID integration. So we'll look at the next the benefits. It's Flake8 actually delivers rapid analysis with minimal system resources, allowing seamless integration into development workflows without hampering productivity. The plugin architecture also supports numerous community-created extensions for additional checks such as docstring validation, security vulnerability detection, typing annotations verification, and framework-specific conventions. So it's easy to customize through command line options, project-specific configuration files, or maybe some global settings. So Flake8 actually integrates seamlessly with popular editors like the VS Code, PyCharm, and Sublime Text, providing real-time feedback as you code. It's also commonly incorporated into CI/CD pipelines to enforce quality standards across many development teams all around the world. So this is a very powerful tool, the Flake8. So do well to check it out. And yeah, that's it for today.